Okay lang pare.
340.
Pasi dyan si Topi.
It is a jumble between Mr. Lama and Mr. Yan.
Kaya tatamaan ka na dyan ng bola, Topi.
Aji, bigyan daw. Lay, kausapin mo muna si Tarok. Ngayon sa labas. Entrance daw.
Sadali lang po.
Hoy, Topi, dito ka.
Ay, doon ka na.
Saan ba?
Dito ka, Muse.
Muse ka dyan.
Jim, galing.
Ako na nagbibideo.
Magkano, Jim, galing? Preso ka, dali na. 340. Ang dami nito. Kunin mo na yung 40, 300 na mo. Ay, bakit uunan?
Gira.
Sabihin mo, Haji. Sabihin mo, 300 muna.
So, good person. It's Hega and Paul return. Para sa return first personal foul, first seat up. It's Salah. And the blocking foul turn. It's a result of violation. It's Palma. It's a tournament violation. Tournament for Eloy.
Player ba kayo? Ganyan mo.
It's a breaker.
Shoot! Shoot!
It's not very young.
Napakasyungat tagal ni Pangit.
It's Palma. It's it. It's a table. Breathing time 7 minutes and 60 seconds.
Nakaka-distract ng laro. Wala na.
It's Bosa. It's a technical, flopping.
One down.
One shot is a return, Bosa. It's seven. And it's single. Tuloy na po kayo. Breathing time 7 minutes and 60 seconds. It's Palma. Get your arm. It's it. And it's in. Red blue. It's Pampantay. It's a Garcia.
Sus ko, ano ba naman yan? Di pa rin nagbabago ang mga lan.
It's Lama, but it's a regulation. Remain time, section 47. Correct for 290. Tuloy lang po. It's a 15 seconds then is that clock. It's zero.
Sus ko, sala na naman.
It's Amiga. It's just.
Yes!
It's Palma. It's Eloy, second person of first, it's third. And third division of monster, Eloy. Eloy is third. First person of foul. 17 down. Tuloy na po.
Ba yan? Nakaubos din yan ng oras eh. Iniisip kaya nila
It's
yun?
Tarok.
May nadaan.
Alas document. It's magpantay. 15 seconds on your shot clock.
Shoot!
And it's a white ball. Remaining time,
Hindi marunong
exactly
sila.
6 minutes. It's Sister Palma. Pastor Pamasa. First hit. It's Abiga. It's
Yes!
by Abiga. Eloy, 6 seconds. Center, sabi ka ba 13 number 55. Pagpantay. Kaerma, it's her. First personal foul. 13 foul. Eloy, first try. It connects. Last throw. Third. And it's a red ball.
Ay. Usog ka nga ate. Upo ah.
Tuloy na po.
May upo. Eh, dyan.
Upo nga.
Opo, miss eh.
Oh, binyan mo. Yun oh. Dapat inano niyan. Binago ang daan.
And the pass and count and follow on Sir Lama. Lama, that's your first personal foul. 13 fouls.
Shoot!
Ball shot, trying magpantay, it connects from 3 points. It's a covering measure. Set it at the line. Too strong.
Ba't kaya hinagis dun? Galit na naman si Tarok.
Babato yung sagay. Babato yung mama. Babato yung mama.
It's Palma. It's Bogota. It's Batu Cavering measure. It's Tarok.
Yung parang nakakulig.
Exactly 5 minutes. It's Silver Hill, right sir. Magpantay.
Sinong 9?
It's Palma.
Sila. Oh!
Surrender Pascual. Pastor Sir Tarok.
Nakakagaw ni Jordan.
Pastor Sir.
Shoot! Ay!
Pastor Sir Palma. It's better. First hill.
Ay! Ano ba naman yun?
3. Dito lang the teammate. Pamilya na po sa amin. Nangyari.
Topi!
Ano ba yung mga kaibigan? Hindi lang niya mga kaibigan. It's Tarok in Gondry. Pastor Sir Magpantay. Pastor Sir Tarok. Fifteen seconds on your shot clock. It's Pascual. Back to Tarok. 4 minutes 57 seconds.
Yes!
Wala nag-i-score.
Oy, scorer!
Ay, si Raymond daw.
Walang score oh. Hindi
It's Erma. It's Tarok. It's Erma. Pasal. Oh.
Ay, naku po.
It's Eloy. It's Palma.
Balik.
Sayang yun.
Basta ng lima all alone. It's good. Betul. Exactly 3 and 30.
May edad na.
Pasal. Oh, looks gone. It's gone. Basta ng lima. Yes, it's good. It's Erma. It's Tarok. That's it.
Ay,
It's
naku.
Eloy for the rebound.
Nakuha na naman.
It's Eloy. It's good. Anything? Referee. Tayong mga ito po. At muli, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Napakaraming manonood. Gawin yung pitikan, magawang mga ano. Kaya nalagay niya ang Beat A. You're wrong. Alright, po. Bakpan. It's four. And brother, oh no, it's good for this.
Abutan pa sila.
Shoot!
Dama, it's good. Tara, pwede na ha. Warning, for penalty. Remaining time, 2 and 30. First shot, ibang bayan para tayo. Isa rin. High low sa info ng justice.
Ay, maganda i-video, maliwanag.
Oo nga.
Pangkalistahan. Last throw, it's good. For one. Diba? Bata sa kanangin. Mama. Palma, pastor Lama. Pero hindi ka na naman. 20 number 2.
Dalawa na yan.
It's their first.
Upper front.
Second, team foul. It's Emma. And from answer Kaho. Exert. First. Down left. Remaining time. 20 and 15 seconds. First try by Emma. 8 seconds. Good. For one. Last throw. 8 seconds. Six. It's Eloy for the rebound. Balik sa ulit. Palma, bilis mo lang. Pwede. Exactly 10 minutes. It's last pantay. It's sarap. 15 seconds to go. Magpantay. Balik mo lang. It's Eloy. It's good. Pwede. 1 and 35. Good. Pwede.
Apat na lang ang lamok.
Balik Africa.
Laki-laki kanina eh.
Alam ko yun. Ayaw magpasab ng mga to ah.
120.
What's up?
Sino sasab dito?
Joy!
Magpantay.
Di ba? Magpapahingayin mo na si Kajo.
Oo nga.
Di ba? Anim lang sila.
Joy, pasok. Pahingin mo si Jobin.
It's up.
Ba't kasi ipinasok pa ang may edad na?
It's good.
Ayun,
It's good.
hindi na nakakatakbo.
It's up. 11 minutes.
Ulitin na, habol ng istoryo.
Tapos na, di ba? It's good.
Persado eh.
It's Emma. It's Emma.
Natalon.
Ayun, hindi na nakakatakbo si Jobin.
Count.
And counter magpantay. Pwede na may 55 sir.
Habol na lang si Scott.
30 pa.
Sab, sab.
Ayun, ano nangyari?
Ay, pangit. Hoy,
Malala lang ulit.
ba't ang tawag sa'yo Emak?
Ito ah.
Abutan na kayo. Dalawa na lang. Kanina lamang kayo.
Mga samahan. Dala. Magdalali. Hindi pwede yun. Dahan ng tayo.
Mr. Pogi ng ano, Rodriguez. Tingin muna dyan.
Wala suporta pag tumira. Wala.
Topi!
Natawagan lang pa. Wala.
Mr. Pogi ng ano, Rodriguez. Ayaw magpasab ni Mang Joben.
Babad eh. Ha?
Green 9, 45 seconds.
Nagsisisihan na.
Official score 50 against 30.
Ay!
Ay!
Showtime.
It's a red bull.
Napa, no? Panonoorin ko na lang sa video. Ay, ano pa?
40 seconds.
Hindi ang papayag ng gano'n.
Ay! Naku!
Sige, Eloy.
Wala.
It's Eloy. Eloy.
Wala na, on na.
Laki-laki na kanina eh. Sus ko.
Delta 15.
Shoot!
Pasaban.
5 seconds.
5 seconds! Wala na.
Runner, end of the first quarter.
End of the first quarter.
Joy!